Hello, I am Parker, and today on Parker's Picks, I am going to show you how to make a super easy breakfast burrito. We're going to tell you at the end of the video if it's a hero or a zero. So stay tuned to find out which one we give it. And these recipes are so easy, even a kid can do it. Is you take one of your eggs, so you need it to be uncooked, and you try to crack it on any edge. I'm just going to use the edge of my sink. So once you get a little crack right there, I want to hold it from there and then pull it open. So then you get the egg in there and no shells. And then you just want to throw away the egg. I'll throw that away in a minute. You just wipe off your hands, and then what we do is we take milk. You only want to put in a little bit. You don't want to put in too much where it makes the egg softer. You just want to put enough in there so it gives it that nice flavor. That's probably already a lot. So that's probably good. And then, if you have a whisk, you can use that, or we just have an electric mixer. You put it in the bottom if you have an electric mixer, and then press the button and it will move. You try to keep it at the edge, or else it will spill out and spray everywhere. So you want to wait until it turns like yellow, so like a light yellow. So we're just gonna let that mix for a little bit. If you have a whisk, you just wanna whisk it fast all the way around until it looks like a golden kind of color. So we're just gonna let this mix in. What we're doing here is we're trying to get those air bubbles in to foam it up and make it like creamier and foamier. This is probably good. Yes, you want it to be like a bubble consistency and like that. So then you want to take your olive oil and you use your pan, take off the lid, and I just want to spray all around it except on the edges. You know, there's no need to spray it on the edges. So you just want to spray in the middle and around. Then you just want to wait for that. Then you're going to want to like turn on the stove. We just turn on ours to like 4. So we're going to turn our stove on to 4. What the heck?
Push in.
Oh, yeah. Then we're going to turn it to 4. For 4, that's good. So then, now when it starts cooking, so we're going to take, so yeah, but no, we actually put it on 5, just to speed up the process a little bit. So now, we're gonna take our eggs, and then once it starts getting hot, so like right now, you just want to pour the eggs in. So then we're gonna let that cook. So once it starts getting like on the edges, like it starts sticking a little bit, you want to fold it over. So we're gonna wait for that to happen. And when it starts to cook more, you want to take a paper towel and put your tortilla on the paper towel, and you're gonna stick it in the microwave. So if you just want to take out your cutting board, if you have like a paper towel or anything, that's also fine. But you just want to take out your cutting board. You want to get a good strawberry like this one, and then you just want to cut off the top. Make sure you don't cut your fingers off. So if you're a kid, you might want your parents to do this part. And what I like to do is I like to try and get like the white part like that, kind of like this. And then this is how I cut them. I cut it into like thirds, kind of, maybe even fourths. And then I just cut them again like this. I cut it like in half actually. And then you just cut it again like this in the middle, until you get like the size pieces that you like. And you can do this many times, just as much strawberries as you want. So that's probably enough strawberries already, like that's enough. So you can try it. And pretty good. And you might just want to wash out some blueberries to put in a little ramekin. Or like a bowl, whatever you want. So we're going to take a little ramekin. So we're going to take one of these. You're going to put all of your strawberries and a couple blueberries want to, you can wash. You're supposed to wash them off a little bit. So then you can just pour these in. If you want more, you can just put as many as you want. So that's good for the veggies. So let's just check on our egg, and it's still getting there. It's not ready yet. So like pepperoni, salami, those are like my two favorites. And you'll just take a couple pieces, and you'll take them, and then you have to fold them like this. So you fold them like once, like this, and then fold them over again. So like that. Sometimes they come undone, but that's fine. So then you're just gonna fold them, and I might even add a couple pieces of salami to it too. So then after we put that in, we just need to wait a minute for the food. I'm gonna tell you if this whole, oh, that's probably almost done. So once I finish doing this, I am going to pop our thing in the microwave. We just flipped our egg, so you can like flip them to the middle. And then now that they're almost done, we like to just sprinkle some cheese on top. You can use cheddar cheese, whatever cheese you like the most, on your eggs. So that's probably done in a minute. So then we just want to take the plate with our berries. Also, so we're just gonna pop this in the microwave for like 30 seconds. Just enough to hold in. Actually, I'll give 15, and I'll see if it's good. Turn this on. Then we're just gonna turn it off so it doesn't overcook. So now we're just gonna wait till that comes out. When that comes out, we're just gonna see if it's good, and it is good. It's really hot. And so you see that it just gets really hot, and you just want to take this. You just want to scoop this on your plate. And with my help, you have just made the best 5-minute burrito you could ever make. So now we're just gonna take it and try it, and we're gonna eat it, and I'm gonna tell you if it is a hero or a 0. This one gets a hero. Tune in next time where we're gonna make Puerto Rican potato salad. I'm Parker, and this is Parker's Picks.